Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few months worth of time, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And along with that, because the crypto markets are open 24/7, it allows for me as a presenter to put out a video that's going to remain relevant for more than just a couple of hours. So by focusing on big picture areas, the chart will remain relevant for as long as possible. Now, for those of you that have watched my past videos on this one, you've heard me talk time and time again about the purple line right here, which is the 50-period simple moving average. And there's a little twist here, though, because for those of you that have watched the past videos, like I said, it's always been, can the price break above it? Can the price break above it? Now, at this time, the question transitions to, hey, can the price stay above the purple line? Because as it stands right now, the price has broken above it, but that just leads to the question of going forward, is the price going to be able to stay up above it? Because if you go back through the past history of the chart, you can see many occasions right there. Yeah, the price broke above the purple line, but the price fell back below. Once again, broke below it on a few different occasions, failed, broke back below. Again, above, failed, back below. But once again, the price is up above it. So that's where this big question is coming from. Can the price finally stay up above that purple line? So far, so good. And the price is, hovering right there around it. So that'll be, and I don't want to come across like this is some sort of secret discovery on my part. Nothing like that. Anybody that uses charts is going to be wondering the same thing, because they've noticed this pattern that, that purple line, the price can break above it, but when it comes to actually staying up above it, that's where the price has really had a hard time. Now, in the event the price cannot hold above that purple line, I do want to get our current overall uptrend extended out and updated. I'm going to adjust it here a little bit. So there we go. So in the event that purple line cannot hold, then the next level of support will be right here at the orange line. And this has done a great job of forecasting, previous bounce points. Again, this means a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But, in the past, this has been doing a great job of showing where these levels of support are at. So I don't want to come across and say that the overall chart is ruined if the price falls back below that purple line. But in the event the price does fall below the purple line, that next key level that you would want to see hold is right there at the orange line, the trend line. As far as resistance levels, I'm not even going to touch on those, because in my opinion, going forward, breaking levels of resistance, not a top priority at all. Top priority by far is, can the price stay up above that purple line and at least get a little separation to the upside? Again, if it doesn't, then the big question becomes, can the price stay above that orange line? So we'll see what happens, but the bulls are trying to make progress. Now it's just a matter of staying above that 50-period moving average.